Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng yearly reading for Pisces para sa taon na ito. Okay? So alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for 2025. Okay? So Happy New Year Pisces! Happy New Year po sa ating lahat at naway maging masaya, mas maging masaya and a better person pa tayo this 2025. Okay, I just want to take this opportunity na salamat po sa palagi niyo pong suporta sa ating channel, sa palaging panonood, palaging alam mo yun, yung suporta niyo po sa ating channel, sa ating reading. Thank you po sa lahat po. Okay, salamat po talaga and naway maging masaya pa tayo and mas lumaki pa ang ating channel Pisces and alamin pa natin ng maraming taon kung ano yung magiging gabay advice ng ating tarot cards in this channel. Okay, so ano pa ba? Thank you. Wala akong masabi, Pisces, kundi salamat at naway maging magkasama pa tayo sa mahabang panahon and kasama ang ating tarot card, Pisces. Okay, so simulan na natin ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa taong 2025. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, kung saan mag-resonate, take mo lang, okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine na energies. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa taon na ito. Tinatawag ako ng ating The Mystic Red Rose, Pisces, ano? So, saglit lang. Gamitin natin to kasi habang nagsha-shuffle ako, tinatawag ako ng ating The Mystic Red Rose. So, kuha tayo ng 12 cards right here and kuha din tayo ng 12 cards para sa ating The Mystic Red Rose. Okay? For clarification. Okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month of January? Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month of January? Page of Swords. Okay, so merong something na parang pagre-research, Pisces. Okay, saglit. Okay, before ko yan i-explain, kuha tayo ng 12 cards muna. Okay, so ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month of February? Okay, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month? Oh, wow! Wow! The Star. Wow, okay. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Okay, so ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month of March? Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month of March? Oh, King of Swords. March, April. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the month of April? Oh, wow! Oh, okay. April, May. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the month of May? Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the month of May? Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the month of May? Oh. Kunin natin to. Ito. Oh. The Empress. Okay. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the month of June? Okay. Six of Wands. For the month of July. Ano ba? Justice. June, July, August. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the month of August? Dalawa to eh. Pero sige, kunin natin to. August. Okay, okay. August sa Pisces. Okay, yan. August yan. Ayusin muna natin to. Okay, August, September. Ano pa po yung... September. October. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the month of October? Oh, okay. Meron tayo dito Six of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. October, November, December. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces for the month of November? Oh, wow. And December. Wow. Ang ganda, Pisces. Ang ganda lahat ng mga cards natin dito. Sobrang ganda. Okay, ang gaganda ng mga meaning, Pisces, every month. Okay, so for the month of January, saglit lang. Ayusin muna natin to. Ayan, hindi siya makita. Ito. Yan, okay. So, for the month of January, Page of Swords. Okay, so for the month of January, Pisces, you will be gathering some information. It's either magre-research ka, meron kang aalamin, okay? May mga bagay kang kailangang i-research, okay? May mga bagay kang kailangang matutunan, gusto mo yung mga information na yon, okay? Or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na galing sa malayong lugar na posibleng merong konektado for researching, Pisces, okay? And this card also represents as stalking. Pero kung hindi naman about stalking, it is something like meron talagang pag-aalam, okay? Meron kang ginagather ng information. This is also represents as parang studying, okay? Researching, para pong ganon, okay? So, you will gather some information about something, Pisces. And feel ko itong pag-gather ng information about something is merong konektado for career or for your dreams, okay? Pwede ding sa love, okay? Kung ano man ito. Basta meron kang, it's either sinadya mong or kailangan mo talaga itong i-research, alamin, or anything. Or, pwede din meron kang malalamang information, Pisces, galing sa malayong lugar, okay? Galing sa mga bagay na feel mo medyo may distance sa'yo. It's either physically or something like situation, okay? Pero meron kang matatanggap, okay? It's all about information, Pisces, okay? So, as I said kanina, gamitin natin itong the Mystic Red Rose Oracle cards. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for the Page of Swords of January ni Pisces? Any information po for the month of January? Okay, so there's a separation. It's either this is someone na posibleng medyo, as I said kanina, medyo malayo sa'yo, okay? So, pwede po itong separation like someone, pwedeng ex mo, okay? Or pwedeng meron kang ginagather na information about something, Pisces, and there's a thinking about you, okay? So, there is a person na it's either namimiss ka, namimiss mo, pwede pong ganon, okay? Pero kahit ano man ito, there is something na parang gathering some information. Pwede din po to about sa career, okay? Medyo malayo sa'yo, pwedeng, yun nga, parang may distance, okay? Hindi naman siya, it's all about like love life or anything, okay? Pwede din pong ganun, okay? Take mo lang. Pero feel ko meron siyang distance and kailangan mo siyang i-research or it's either there's something na information na darating for you with this page of swords, okay? So there's something na information. It's either you gather some information or pwedeng makakatanggap ka ng information for the month of January, Pisces. And for the month of February, there's the Star. Wow! Okay, so etong card na to is obviously it's all about stars, it's all about dreams, it's all about goals in life, okay? So may mga bagay kang gustong abutin for this year, okay? May mga bagay kang gustong makuha sa buhay mo, mga pangarap, okay? And ayan no, tinitingnan mo yung mga bituin na ito, Pisces. And pwedeng ito yung ginagather mo na information, okay? And as I said kanina, medyo malayo ito sa'yo, okay? So there's a card right here and it's either there's something na kailangan mong para siyang malayo sa'yo pero almost abot kamay mo na, okay? So you're almost there, Pisces. This card right here is all about kaya medyo malayo ka sa akin pero almost abot na kita, okay? Konti na lang, parang ganun, okay? So, itong the star card right here, it is something like meron kang pangarap sa buhay, it's either mapa-career, mapa-love life, kung ano man itong sitwasyon sa buhay mo po, Pisces. This year, feeling ko, gagawa ka ng maraming like strategies, maraming action, decision making, okay, for this year na gusto mong makuha, gusto mong maabot, okay? And kung para sa'yo, Pisces, para sa'yo talaga. And nakikita mo naman, almost abot kamay mo na dito, Pisces, So, go for it. Gawin mo lahat and again, surrender everything to God. Naway gabayan ka sa kung ano man itong gagawin mo for this year. Okay? And feeling ko malaking impact ito sa'yo, Pisces. Malaking, kumbaga major situation ito para sa'yo. Okay? Matagal mo itong hinintay. It's either pinangarap mo to, feeling mo parang hindi mo parang ang taas. Pero yung taas na yun, Pisces, you're almost there. You're almost like, konting kembot na lang, andyan ka na, okay? So, go for it, Pisces. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na ganun, okay? So, for this year, Pisces, feeling ko, there's a big, something like major, life-changing, almost like a dream for you, Pisces. Okay, so alamin po natin kung ano po yung clarifications for this, the star right here for the month of February, Pisces. There's a death. The relationship is over. No second chances. Grow and transform. What's dead is dead, okay? So, kung sa love man to, Pisces, it is something like merong connection sa parang, as I said, there's something na separation, okay? There's something na parang natigil, okay? Pero feeling, as I said kanina, pag para sa'yo, Pisces, para sa'yo, okay? So, kung hindi nakalaan itong kung relationship man ito, Pisces, there's something na naririnig ko na naman yung word na magbabalik, okay? Eto, Pisces, feeling ko sa dalawang card, dalawang buwan na nandito, there is someone from your past. It's either you are separated to this person or parang medyo natigil yung sitwasyon mo sa kanya. Merong magbabalik, okay? Palagi ko yung naririnig and parang feel ko parang last ano ba, last year, kahapon, Pisces, January 1 kasi to, okay, parang meron tayong reading, Pisces, na yung title is merong magbabalik. May magbabalik yata yun, okay? So, there's a person from your past na posibleng magpaparamdam sa'yo, Pisces, for this year, okay? So, ikaw na po bahala on how you deal with this person po, okay? So, kung pangarap mo itong taong to, then and there's a big possibility na magbabalik siya sa buhay mo. Okay? Pero kung about naman to sa trabaho, sa career, sa goal mo sa buhay, there is a big possibility na there's a growth, Pisces. Medyo may mga hindrance lang, may mga struggles lang na very light obstacles lang. Pero you're almost there, Pisces. You're almost abot kamay mo na. Feeling mo medyo hindi mo alam kung gaano kalayo, pero you're almost there, okay? As I said kanina, konting kembot na lang, okay? For the King of Swords, ano ba to? March, okay? So, for the month of March, there's a King of Swords. There is a big decision making for you to make, Pisces. Okay? So, pwedeng you're dealing with the masculine energy or pwedeng ikaw din po yan. Okay? King of Swords is someone na intellectual. Okay? It is a card also na it signifies to a person na merong decision na gagawin. There's a big decision making for you to make for the month of March, okay? So, pwedeng konektado ito it's either there is someone na gagawan mo ng decision kung ano yung decision mo sa taong ito, Pisces, ano? Pero kung hindi naman to about like someone from your past, there is a big decision or something like mga big plan for this year, Pisces, okay? So, meron kang gagawing malaking decision konektado sa January and February, okay? And you will be gathering some information. It is something like strategy and planning, Pisces. More on thinking, okay? Sa naunang mga buwan dito, it's more on like thinking. Okay, so there's a big possibility na for the month of March, meron kang gagawing decision making, Pisces. Okay, so ano po yung clarification for this King of Swords right here? Yes, you have to make a decision. Poker face, taking a chance, risk and option, not showing, gambling. Yes, you will take something like, anong tawag nito? Step or like leap of faith, decision making, yun nga, parang etong decision na ito, Pisces, etong sitwasyon na ito, sobrang laki, sobrang malaking impact ito sa'yo, Pisces, for this year, and you have to do it, okay? You have to do it. Kung trabaho man ito, kung career, kung love life, pwede din. Okay, you have to make a decision. And kung ano man yung decision na iyon, pag-isipan ng mabuti and malaki yung, kumbaga, decision na gagawin mo. It is something like there's a big, like, inulit ko lang, impact sa buhay mo, Pisces, okay? So, for the month of March, there's a decision making. It's either merong konektado ito sa someone from past, okay, na posible din, Pisces, naririnig ko, posible din na this person will try to take a leap of faith towards you. It's either sa naunang mga buwan, tinatry na munang mag-research, tinitingnan, stalking siya muna sa'yo, okay? And pwede magagather na siya ng courage, Pisces, for this March right here, na mag-make na siya ng decision to reach out to you. Pwede pong ganun, okay? Pero kung hindi naman, it's all about you, Pisces, to make a decision for the month of March. Okay? For the month of April, the Hermit card. Yes, it's all about thinking. It's all about intellectual. It's all about planning, Pisces, as I said kanina, for this year. The Hermit, nakikita nyo yan, no? Nag-aaral, inaaral niya mabuti, Pisces, nagpaplano siya, sinusulat niya ng mabuti. Pwedeng mag-aaral ka sa taong ito or pwedeng, yeah, as I said kanina, you will gather some information at isusulat mo yun, okay, Pisces? And gagawa ka ng decision about this. Pwede meron itong connection sa pangarap mo, okay? Pero kung you're dealing with someone na pwedeng itong taong to is, it's either naririnig ko yung word na diary, okay? So, or documents, pwede pong ganun, okay? So, or also you're dealing with someone na mature and at the same time, it's either matalino itong taong to or hindi, kumbaga organized, okay? Kumbaga, before niya gawin, iniisip niya ng mabuti before siya mag-reach out sa'yo. Pwede pong ganun, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, as I said kanina, you will be gathering some information, making a big step for this year. And meron kang pag-aaralan, Pisces, talaga. Meron kang mga plano, mga strategy for this year. Okay? So, wow. Kung ano man ito, Pisces, ang laki ng ulitin ko na naman, impact sa buhay mo itong sitwasyon na ito, Pisces. You will make a big decision. So ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari pa for Pisces? There's a coffin and cut down. Yes, you will be something like deciding, Pisces, na kumbaga, alam mo, kumbaga nakakapag-decide after the King of Swords right here, Pisces. You will make a note for yourself na alam mo, itigil na natin to, or something like, may mga realization ka, Pisces. Kung konektado man ito sa someone from your past, you have a realization and meron ka mga hindi ko masabi yung word, pero ano ba yan? Hindi ko masabi yung word na yon, pero meron kang mga nasusulat or naiisip or nakikita or nare-realize na yun yung mga reason kung bakit nakapag-decide ka, Pisces. May mga nakikita ka, may mga bagay na tinitingnan mo yung mga informasyon na yon, may mga nire-research kang ganito, ganyan, and pagka-gather mong ganon, meron ka ng conclusion. Okay, may mga gagawin kang mga bagay na it's either you will organize, dito ka, ito yung priority ko, ito yung ganito, ganyan. Okay, so it's all about organizing, Pisces. And hindi ka takot na ikat yung mga bagay na hindi para sa'yo. This year right here, you are planning, you are organizing, Pisces. You are doing like yung mga bagay na hindi mo ginawa or pwedeng sa last year, Pisces, may mga bagay kang alam mo yun, hindi mo pinag-isipan, may mga bagay kang dire-diretso, impulsive, okay, na decision. This year, etong taon na to is pag-iisipan mo ng mabuti. Kumbaga, you have a big shift on how you deal a situation, Pisces. Pinag-iisipan mo ng mabuti, dinidil mo ng mabuti, sinusulat mo, you gather all the information, and pag nakita mo na lahat, you will conclude. Okay, so ganda nun. Ang ganda nun, okay? You have a like transformation in your life, Pisces. There's a big transformation in your life. There's a coffin and cut down. So you are not afraid to make a big decision in your life, okay? Kumbaga, inuuna mo yung sarili mo, Pisces. Inuuna mo yung growth mo, okay? And pag feel mo hindi sa'yo, wag mo nang hindi ka takot. Okay? Siguro sa last year, pwede may mga bagay kang, alam mo yun, mga bagay na medyo hindi ganun kagandahan. Pero this year, feeling ko gagawa ka ng mga malakihang decision, Pisces, malakihang moves, okay? And hindi ka takot sa kung ano man yung mga hindi para sa'yo. You will prioritize whatever it makes you feel like kumbaga a priority Okay? Inuuna mo yung sarili mo, Pisces. And ang ganda dun. Ang ganda nun. Okay? Sa naunang mga cards natin dito, it's all about thinking. It's all about planning. Inulit ko lang, Pisces. And feeling ko, you are more focused sa buhay mo, sa growth mo mismo, sa upgrading in your life, okay? Kumbaga, may mga realization ka dati siguro pa sa mga nangyari from last years, okay? This year, kumbaga, mas magiging maingat ka, mas magiging, alam mo yun, ang laki ng pinagbago mo, Pisces, and you turn into a better version of yourself, okay? I'm so proud of you for this year. Ang gaganda ng mga cards natin ngayon. Okay, ang gaganda. It's all about thinking. It's all about planning. It's all about, like making a decision in a right way, Pisces. Okay, so ang ganda lang. Ang ganda. Okay, so for the, January, February, March, April, May. May is the Empress card. The Empress is someone. It's either you are a mother or you're dealing with someone na may feminine energy or pwedeng ikaw. Okay? So, naririnig ko yung word na conceive. Gusto niyo siguro magkaanak, Pisces. So, for this year, pwedeng yun yung mga decision making na gagawin mo. Okay? Or kung hindi naman, yes, it's all about growth. It's all about change. Life change. Okay? Kasi nakikita niyo, nagbe-bear siya ng baby dito sa loob. Okay? So, this is a new beginning. New journey in life. Okay? It is a new path. New blessing. Okay, so there's something na transformation in you, Pisces, within you, na hindi mo ginawa dati. Okay, kung ano man yung mga past na sitwasyon mo sa last year's, Pisces, eto na, nagbago ka, you are bearing a best version of yourself, Pisces, and you are doing everything as you can. Okay, so you're dealing with a feminine or pwedeng ikaw yung feminine, wala po tayong gender specific dito. It's all about growth. Yun, it's all about growth, it's all about planning, it's all about kung ano yung yung decision na gagawin mo dito, Pisces, on how you deal a situation, sobra kang nag-upgrade, okay? Sobra kang nagbago, sobra kang you are becoming the best version of yourself, Pisces. Ang ganda. So kung meron mo na itong konektado sa goal, sa trabaho, sa love life, you are making a decision in a right way. Okay? And hindi ka takot kung ano man yung mga bagay na hindi para sa iyo, alam mo 'yon, hindi nakaka-benefit sa iyo, hindi ka takot. You are concluding, you are planning everything na makakabuti sa iyo, Pisces. And thumbs up ako dun, okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for this, the Empress card right here? Tatlo siya. Pero sige. So there's, okay, so meron tayo dito. Pero yan, tatlo na lang. Okay, so there's the girl with a snake, charmed or used. Yes, you are, feeling ko ikaw to yung nung last year, Pisces. Okay, so it's either you are charmed or used, enabled, boundaries. And then there's a shift, cutting ties, moving on. Receive what you need, progression, and arriving. And then there's a camera, reminiscing, making memories, learn from the past, perception, Pisces. Yes, you are not the same as before, Pisces. Iba ka. Yung mga natutunan mo from last year, ginagather mo yun and ginagawa mo into a better version in this year, Pisces. And I'm so proud of you. Okay, so sa tatlong cards na nandito, it's like upgrading, it's like moving on, it's like doing the right way for this year. Okay? So, ayusin muna natin to, Pisces, saglit lang po. So, for ano na ba to? January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, so there is a King of Wands. January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, so there's a King of Wands. You are something like doing sa mga bagay na gusto mo, Pisces. It's either, ito yung talent mo, ito yung pangarap mo, ito yung passion mo, okay? And hindi ka takot. You are, nakikita nyo, nasa taas siya ng stage, okay? So, pwedeng, ito nga, prepare sa mga buwan na ito, you are preparing to be the king of wands, okay? So, sa taong ito, meron kang preparation, meron kang mga bagay na inaayos, may mga bagay kang ino-organize, mga bagay kang mga natutunan, and then for the month of June, you will be doing whatever you are planning sa mga nakaraang buwan, okay? Sa King of Wands natin dito, it's all about passion, it's all about like passionate, like attraction, fiery, okay? Ganun siya. So, kung ano man ito, kung ano man yung mga plano-plano ng mga unang months dito, you are doing in this month. Okay? After this, the Empress right here, you are be the King of Wands. You are like doing some action. Ayun, you are making some action, Pisces. Kumbaga na-organize mo na, nagawa mo na, naayos mo na ng mga nakaraang buwan, and ito na si King of Wands ka na, nasa taas ka na ng entablado. Pwedeng you are working in your like dream job, okay? Pwedeng nag-aaral ka, pwedeng alam mo yun, you are not afraid to make a big decision sa buhay mo, Pisces. And kumbaga sa taon na ito, Pisces, you are more like sugod, okay? Hindi ka na takot, hindi ka na nag-hesitate, hindi ka na takot sa mga sasabihin ng ibang tao, hindi ka na, alam mo yun, you are more like fiery, you are more like goal-driven, you are something like, gagawin ko to, ito yung gusto ko, ito yung nakaplano, ito yung ganito, ganyan, and you are making some big action towards it, Pisces. Wow, ang ganda, and I can see in this card na you are becoming a best version of yourself, Pisces, and I'm so happy. Ang laki ng pinagbago mo sa mga nakaraan, Pisces, sa mga nakaraan nating mga sa mga nakaraan nating mga readings, okay? Nakikita natin kung ano yung mga dinidin nyo po sa araw-araw, and this year you are making a big transformation in yourself, Pisces, to become a big version of yourself. Okay? And hindi ka na takot, hindi na ikaw yung nasa background, kundi ikaw na yung nasa stage, Pisces. Wow. Okay, so ang ganda. So ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari? Clarifications for this King of Wands ni Pisces. Any clarifications po for the King of Wands ni Pisces for the month of June? Okay, so there's a healthy choices, self-love, self-care, being happier, Pisces, love, and life. Hindi ko na siya kailangan pang i-explain pa. Ayan na, healthy choices na tayo dito, Pisces. Self-love, self-care, being happier, love, and life. Wow. So, ano na to? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. July is the Justice card. Yes, it's all about decision making. Okay? So, meron kang mga bagay na alam mo yun, ginagawa mo ng tama. Okay? May mga bagay ka na, alam mo, makakaramdam ka ng proud sa sarili mo, Pisces. Okay? Makakaramdam ka, kumbaga, nakikita ko yung sarili mo na parang itatap mo yung balikat mo. You did a great job. Okay? You did a great job, Pisces. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of myself. Okay? And ito yun, the Justice card. You are giving justice to everything sa taon na ito, Pisces. You are hindi ko, ano ba yung tamang word? Kasi may naisip akong word, pero hindi ko alam kung, okay, sasabihin ko na lang, okay? Hindi ko po alam kung Alam niyo po yung meaning. Pero you are slayable. Okay. Tama mo yung word na yun. Okay? Kumbaga, you are doing a great job for this year, Pisces. And itatap mo yung sarili mo na, alam mo yun, I'm so proud of you. Ang galing mo dito. Okay, so, etong card na ito, the Justice card, alam mo, Pisces, na napapangiti ako sa ating reading ngayon. Ang ganda. Sobra, ang ganda talaga. Okay, you are making a justice. You are doing everything in a right way. Okay, so ano pa po? Ano po yung clarification for this, the Justice card for the month of July ni Pisces? Paradise. Ayan, nakikita. Happiness. Kanina, Pisces, being happier yung nandito. Eto, happiness and joy, playfulness, enjoying each other, honeymoon phase. Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-explain pa, Pisces. Ayan na yun. Okay, there's a paradise. See, everything is going in your plan, Pisces. Everything is like, alam mo yun, kumbaga, nag-aano siya sa buhay mo. Pisces, nagiging maayos na yung mga sitwasyon, okay, mga bagay sa buhay niyo po na kumbaga umaayon, Pisces. Umaayon. Okay? So, July, August, this is August. 3 of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. So, kung pwedeng ito ay meron konektado sa love, sa partnership, sa commitment, okay? Pwedeng trabaho, pwedeng love life, pwedeng family, pwedeng kahit ano, kahit sino. Okay? There's a 3 of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. There's a strong commitment, strong partnership, strong like pwede ding relationship na konektado sa taong ito. Okay, there's a Knight of Cups. It's all about good news. It's all about delivering a happiness. There's about delivering a emotional, like masayang balita. And there's a 3 of Pentacles. Pwede meron kang i-deal na tao, Pisces, or mga tao. Okay? Pero kung love life or anything man ito, it is a relationship or partnership na you deserve, Pisces. Okay? This is a relationship, partnership, commitment na ito yung deserve mo. Ito yung nakalaan para sa'yo. Ito yung para sa'yo, Pisces. Okay, so there's a big, strong partnership for the month of August. And kung pwede siyang about sa financial, pwede din po siyang about sa emotional po. Nakukuha mo both. Nakukuha mo siya pareho, Pisces. And sa dalawang card na nandito, ang masasabi ko lang is strong. Malakas. Okay? Kumbaga, konektado kayong dalawa or kung sino man itong dinidil mo dito, Pisces. There's a strong partnership, commitment na nandito. Okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng konektado for the month of August? Mga information for the month of August. Date. There's a date, Pisces. Okay, there's a date. Get back out there, meeting someone new, setting a date online. So, for the month of August, you will be dealing with a partnership na kumbaga you deserve. You are dealing with a partnership na yun yung inaasa mo dati, Pisces. Okay, so feeling ko kumbaga sa mga nangyayari dito, Pisces, it all goes in your plan. It's all like naaayon sa mga gusto mo, sa mga decision mo sa buhay, umaayon para sa iyo, Pisces. Okay? Nakikita niyo yan, no? Ayan, no? So, there's something na konektado for this month of August na you are dealing with someone na there's a strong partnership commitment for the month of August, Pisces. And then for the month of September, Page of Pentacles. There is something na preparation for you to receive or for you to give. Okay? So, Page of Pentacles. Sinabi ko ba yung page of... Ayan, page of pentacles tayo, Pisces. It's either meron ka matatanggap na konektado for the page, for the three of pentacles. Kasi nakikita nyo dito, tas napunta siya dito, Pisces, for the page of pentacles. So, kung ano man itong nangyari or mangyayari for the month of August, Pisces, for the month of September, makikita mo yung outcome, makikita mo yung level up, Pisces, makikita mo yung offer. Okay, so it is something like medyo mabilis, okay, pero pag para sa'yo talaga, Pisces, eh. Kung you are dealing with a person in the month of August, pagka September, Pisces, makikita mo yung offer niya para sa'yo. Ganun po siya kabilis, okay? So, there is something na receiving for the page of pentacles right here na feeling ko konektado for the month of August, okay? So, you're having fun, you are dealing with a person in the month of August, okay? And in the month of September, you are receiving something about this, okay? So, ano pa po? Ano po yung information for this page of pentacles right here for the month of September ni Pisces? Ano po yung mga seduction, attraction, teasing, hooking up, and date, third-party temptation. This is, you are be tempted to receive this offer na galing sa August dito. Okay, so as I said kanina, konektado itong September and August, Pisces, and you will be having a offer na you are being tempted to receive or to accept this offer right here. Kung ano man ito. Okay, so ang ganda, ang ganda. So September, October, Six of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. There's a feel ko para siyang strong attraction. Okay? And nakukuha mo yung bagay na gusto mo and naibibigay mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo din ibigay, Pisces. It is something like give and take. Okay? So, both, feeling ko, nakukuha mo siya both career and love life. Okay? And balance, ayan balance, Pisces. Or pwede ding you are dealing with someone na merong offer para sa'yo na you will be getting tempted to accept this offer. And yung offer na yun, it is something like you deserve, Pisces. Give and take, okay? And you will feel the attraction, the passionate, the intense attraction between the both of you, okay? So, from the, napapansin niyo, Pisces, from the goal, preparing, something like decision making sa mga naunang cards dito, okay? Meron pang a little bit of past right here, okay? Pero sa natin dito, meron na mga bagay na natatanggap mo yung deserve mo because you are doing everything in a right way, Pisces. And yun nga, parang umaayon siya sa gusto mo, Pisces, and mararamdaman mo yung intensity, yung give and take sa relationship or sa commitment or sa partnership na ito. Pwede pong nakukuha mo kung ano yung deserve mo and naibibigay mo kung ano yung deserve niya. Ganun po. Pwede siyang sa love, pwede din po siyang about sa career, opportunity, pwede din po. Okay, so ang ganda. Ang ganda. So ano po yung mga clarifications for this October, for the month of October ni Pisces? You are feeling so passionate towards this person, and there's the mask, hiding true feelings, pretending, delude, and gaslight personify. Okay, so kumbaga feeling ko makikita mo yung totoo, Pisces. As I said kanina, merong realization, but at the same time, wag pa rin kalimutan na alam mo yun, na isipin, okay, dito yung mga ginawa mo dati, okay, balikan, okay, before mo tanggapin itong offer na ito, okay. Nakikita mo kasi ang ganda, okay, matetempt ka na tanggapin itong offer na ito, itong opportunity na ito, itong kung ano man itong ibibigay niya sa'yo, Pisces, pero at the same time, isipin pa rin po ng mabuti, okay? So, kasi you are doing so great, okay? Nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, okay? And in a right way, So, kung meron mang malaki, maganda, sobrang gandang offer na para sa'yo nakalaan or ibinigay sa'yo, pag-isipan po ng mabuti. Dapat po alamin po muna kung ano yung pros and cons po nito. Okay, for this the must right here. Okay, kahit sobrang ganda, alamin pa rin po yung mga other information behind it, Pisces. Okay, so there's a 10 of Pentacles for the month of November. Okay, so 10 of Pentacles is all about long-term commitment. Okay. Ba't ko nasabi yung October? So, pwedeng po, posible siyang konektado for the month of October, obviously. So, kung ano man itong pagdi-decision making na ito, pagre-research or anything na ginawa or alamin mo sa for the month of October, etong for the month of November, Pisces, is all about like long-term partnership. Long-term commitment. Pwede din merong connection sa marriage, Pisces, okay? Kasi, itong 10 of Pentacles, it is something like pang-matagalan, okay? Pang-habang buhay, pang long-term kumbaga. Kasi, pwede siyang generational wealth, okay? Generational like happiness. Pwede pong ganun, okay? So, kung ano man itong gagawin mo, itong offer na nandito, itong decision making na nandito, it is having a outcome na pangmatagalan, Pisces, long-term commitment, okay? And you will be happy. You are dealing with the people na alam mo yun, na makakasama mo panghabang buhay. Makakasama mo sa mahabang panahon, Pisces, okay? And ang ganda. And then, for the month of December, you are be happy with these people, Pisces, okay? With this person right here and yung mga makakasama mo sa buhay na ito. Saglit, hindi ko pa nakuha tong 10 of Pentacles right here. Pero sige, basahin din natin itong 3 of Cups. Ayan, no, nakikita niyo yan, Pisces. Nagsasalo-salo, celebration, okay, abundance, happiness, okay, ayan, no. Nagiinuman sila, may mga ano pa dito, okay, tapos may mga prutas, okay, sobrang ganda, may mga pumpkin pa dito, sobrang ganda ng liwanag, okay, para sila nagsasalo-salo for the month of November and December, Pisces, ano, so, you are getting what you deserve, Pisces. You are getting what you deserve. You are getting whatever you desire from last years. Etong taon na ito, ang laki ng pinagbago mo, Pisces. Ang laki ng mga bagay na in-upgrade mo, kumbaga. Okay? And you are doing everything in the right way. And that's so good. Ang ganda nun. I'm so happy for you. Don't forget to pat your shoulder and sabihin mo yung sarili mo na you are doing a great job, Pisces. Okay? Ang ganda. I'm so proud of you, Pisces. Okay, so kuha tayo ng information about 10 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups. Any clarification po for the 10 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups? Okay, so meron tayo ditong Pisces. Nakikita niyo yan, coffee, mug. Ayan, no? Ayan. So, merong pagsasalo-salo, pero magiinuman kayo ng kape, okay? Or kumbaga bonding, okay? Pagkakasiyahan, salo-salo, pwede pong ganun. There's a meeting and talking, ayan, no? Saglit nga lang. Itong tatlong card, isama na natin yung December and November, Pisces. Ito yun, no? Ayan. So you're dealing with people or person na you will be savoring the moment. Okay? Savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building friendship, partnership, long-term commitment na kumbaga maano ka na ang ganda, ang sarap ng buhay, Pisces. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ating reading. Lahat ng mga cards na lumabas sa ating reading ngayon, every month is like ang ganda ng mga meaning, Pisces. Wala akong thumbs up ako dito. Sobrang ganda. I'm so proud of you, Pisces. Congratulations for this month. Ang ganda, within yourself and people around you. Sobrang ganda. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces for this year. This is our yearly reading for 2025. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!